Hello, welcome to SuzieVision. Today I have a room tour of the Premier Inn at Gatwick North Terminal for you. You may be thinking, she's not at Gatwick North Terminal, where's the purple lighting and stuff? Well, that's because I'm not right now. I filmed like a whole travel day thing and everything, and life happens, and kind of halfway through filming everything I was like, I want to go in a slightly different direction. So I'm going to do a whole series of shorter videos, and this being one. I hope you've been enjoying the ride through videos of Peter Pan's Flight and what's the other one? Haunted Mansion with the Hatbox Ghost. If you haven't seen them, after you've watched this video, go check those out. And hopefully I will have some more videos about travelling through Gatwick, stuff to do with accessibility, all of that kind of stuff coming soon too. I'm making a real concerted effort to try and upload each week, so we'll see how long that lasts, and I will do my best. But for right now, we are going to go to past Susie, and she will take you round a room tour of a Premier Plus room at the Premier Inn, Gatwick North Terminal. Enjoy. Please like and subscribe if you do enjoy the video. But for now, yeah, just enjoy the room tour. See you soon. Premier Inn check-in is interesting because you enter on the lower ground, or the ground floor, and then you go up to floor 0 to check in. Now the check-in process is very easy, but the challenge we had is the hotel is very, very busy. Was very busy last night. So a huge number of people were checking in with lots of bags and everything. And there's 4 lifts and everyone has to go at least up 1 floor. We had the electric scooter, and yeah, it just took forever to get in the lifts. Now we had booked a Premier Plus room, and I'm going to show you that very shortly. But one thing about the Premier Plus rooms at this particular Premier Inn is they are all on the 9th floor. So as a result, you get a lovely view, and I'll show you that in a second. But it also means if you are booking multiple rooms, you're guaranteed to be on the same floor if you're booking Premier Plus, which we're at kind of opposite sides of the hotel, but it meant that it wasn't that far to get from room to room. Whereas obviously with the scooter and everything, it would have been a bit of a pain if we'd been on separate floors. So let me start by showing you the view out of this window. Here we go. Well, apologies for the reflection in the window, so I know you can see me, but we're in the Premier Inn, 9th floor. That, I believe, is the Sofitel. Down there is the rest of North Terminal. And over there, the purple lights are the Block Hotel, which is immediately above South Terminal. So you can actually see the planes all at the gates there, which was a lot of fun. There were the odd traffic noise, but generally nothing too bad. So apologies for the fan noise. This is the bathroom in the Premier Plus room. So I'm going to turn the camera around and you can take a look. So the setup here is that it is a walk-in shower. There is no closing door, so it's just this kind of glass. We did find, we actually didn't use this shower, we used the shower in the other room. And we did find the floor was quite slippy, but I did notice this morning that there is a sign saying, if you need a rubber bath mat, let us know and we can provide you with one. It was a very nice overhead shower as well as a handheld shower. Upgrade in the toiletry products that Premier Inn provide. What I will say is, if you can see there, both of these are body washes. Now I know some people use body wash to wash their hair. I personally prefer separate shampoo and conditioner to body wash. So thankfully, because I've been to a Premier Inn before, kind of knew that that would probably be the case. So we brought some shampoo and conditioner with us literally just for tonight, because tomorrow we will have the Disney, not H2O, but H2O products. And we've got the mirror. Hello, I am very much casual comfort today. And we have the very nice hand wash. That was very nice. Standard sink, standard toilet. Grey is the colour of these Premier Plus rooms with purple trim. Like most Premier Inns, lack of towels, but it wasn't a big deal because it's only one night. And there is a hook on the bathroom door as well. Okay, so here is the room from where we enter, and it does have one of the insert key here light switch setups, and you've got some coat hooks on the side. That is the bathroom door right there. And then the classic Premier Inn, it's a mirror, it's a wardrobe, and it's also a store for ironing board and extra pillows. We then also have this little cute stool makeup kind of area with a slightly better hairdryer than normal, and a mirror, TV, didn't actually use it, and a longer seat slash luggage rack thing. We've then got the desk area, which had a light, plenty of plug sockets, an HDMI socket, I believe, for connecting your TV to any devices. And this is where you start getting upgrades. So we've got 2 little green and black chocolate bars, and you've also got the Nespresso maker. I do recommend, if you like your coffee with milk, to get extra milks from reception because you will probably need them. You've also got the tea, various tea bags, bottles of water, one still, one sparkling. That was all included in the Premier Plus room, as was their ultimate internet, which would normally cost £5 per night for up to 3 devices. There's a little fridge as well. We've then got a chair and footstool, which was perfectly fine to sit on and relax and chill. And then we've got this table that you can use over the chair area or as a bedside table. Both sides of the bed have a plug plus USB socket. So you can see we've made use of those. And also artwork. This one is by Sam Smith, not that Sam Smith, different Sam Smith. I did look it up to check. And then the classic purple lights of the Premier Inn. So that's the room tour of a Premier Plus room at the Premier Inn at London Gatwick at North Terminal. We paid about £75 a night for this room, but I will say we booked it well over 6 months in advance. I'd have to check. I'll put the date that we actually booked it on here, but we booked it well in advance. I know when we looked at it more recently, the prices had got close to double that, and I say it certainly looked like the hotel was full last night. It was very busy, very crowded. Also, the restaurants in South Terminal were not that crowded. Wetherspoons was, Giraffe wasn't. So if you want to avoid the crowd at the restaurant downstairs, definitely check out the ones in the terminal and at the other hotels. So thank you for watching that room tour of the Premier in Gatwick North Terminal. I hope you enjoyed it. As I said before, please like and subscribe if you did, and check out some of the other videos while you're here. See you soon. Bye.